Hello, this is Morgan Freeman. Welcome to the Nature Documentaries.
Hi, this is Jeff. Haven't had chicken in 3 days. There's a little wilderness squirrel. They're yummy. I need to find some wild chicken. There's one of those yummy squirrels again. Hello, this is Jeff again. On my wilderness documentary, I found some civilization. As you can see, there is a tunnel that echoes my voice. I'm not very sure if this is civilization or not, but I'm wondering if there's any wild chicken in here. Send help, please. I need chicken. I need chicken.
What started off as a search for wild chicken became something else entirely.
Hello there. I'm still stuck in nature. I've spotted a wild Kade trying to catch some squirrels. There seems to be some type of radiation everywhere. Oh, where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Oh no. It's been really rainy lately. Look at that wild Kade. So energetic. It's a shame I'll have to eat him later. I found this little structure. Whoa. It's a wild Kade. He tries to enter the temple, but cannot, because yet he is only a Kade.
Don't hurt me. Please. Please, I have a family.
No, you don't.
No, I don't. I'm single. Ladies. Hello. How you doing, mate?
I don't know.
This is a fake British accent, by the way, if you didn't know. Do you know where I could get some free Wi-Fi?
No.
Oh god. It's gotta be around here somewhere. You're not gonna eat me, are you? No? Okay, cool. This ramp's so long. Why are you still following me? Yo, I'm gonna cry. Karate Kid 2! Don't mess with me. Yeah. Better stay out of my way.
What are you doing?
Committing suicide. It didn't work. Hey, Hamachion. Yo, excuse me. This is the powerful weapon of my ancestors. Wait. Gotta get the, like...
It seems the wild Kade has found a settlement.
You're begging for a fight, aren't you? I know karate. I learned it from watching the Karate Kid too many times. Stay back or I'll kill you. gonna try it again. This time it's gonna work.
He's got to make it on that single rock.
Nah, it's too risky.
The wild Kade never takes risks. Even the risk of asking out his crush.
Yo, what up, YouTube?
I think there's something wrong with him. He got stabbed by one of those wild thorns. I like to call them thorns because I'm a nerd.
Wait, what? What does that even mean?
Eobard Thorn.
Oh, Eobard! The best Flash villain. If you comment differently, I will stab you. But please subscribe and leave a comment down below for this poor man's YouTube. It will help him become a tame Kade, not a wild Kade. He will get a family instead of being trapped out here in the wild. Seems the wild Kade has found a structure. It's some sort of cage. There's metal fence all around this area. The wild Kade has spotted something.
You know what that smells like?
What?
It smells like Teen Spirit.
Leave me alone! I gotta listen to my own music.
Alright.
Let's go, Mr. Krabs. What do you want?
I want you to listen to my music choice.